Hey, I'm Big Frank from K99. I love South Texas, and I love hunting and fishing. That's why I'm putting on my very own Hunting and Fishing Expo here at the American Bank Center.
It happens April 24th, 25th, and 26th at the American Bank Center. Something for everyone. Hunting and fishing accessories, demonstrations for hunters and fishermen, door prizes, kids' activities, outdoor gear, celebrity guest appearances, including Dallas Cowboys legend Jay Novacek. 3-day passes for adults are only $10. Grab your details at BigFranksExpo.com.